Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Milena and I love everything beauty, so if you do too, you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post 3 times a week, so you're always seeing something from me. You don't want to miss out on that. And make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up for my crazy eyebrows right now, which is what we're going to be talking about. In today's video, I am going to be showing you my current eyebrow routine, how I always do my eyebrows, my foolproof brow routine. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. If you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, so you just need a few products for this process. The first one is going to be an eyebrow brush, a good one. My favorite one is from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. I honestly don't know exactly which one this is because I've had it for so long that the numbers came off of it. I'll look it up online and then I'll put it in the description box and I'll link it for you guys so you know exactly where to get it and what this is. And then obviously the most important part is the powder or dip, whatever you're planning on using. I personally love the way that a powder makes my brows look. I think it looks a lot more natural than a pomade or a pencil. That's my personal thing. If you'd rather use a pencil or a pomade, you can definitely go for it. But for today's video, I'm going to be using a powder, and this is my favorite one. It's the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder, and I have the shade 5, so I think this is the darkest one because my hair is pretty dark, so I want my eyebrows to match. So this is what the color looks like, so you can see it's a little bit lighter on here and then it goes to darker towards the end. It comes with a little brush. I don't use this brush because I don't really think it's good to be honest, but the powder itself is amazing, so we're definitely going for that. And then obviously we're gonna go in with a brow gel at the end as well as some concealer, so we'll get into those later. But we are just gonna jump right into this because I'm extremely excited. I just wanna put some eyebrows on because I look crazy right now. But so first, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna dip it into the lighter portion of this powder. Just get a good amount onto your brush. I always tap off the excess because I don't want to be putting a ton of product onto my brow right away. And then you're just gonna brush your eyebrow out, up and out. And I don't have anything on my brow bone yet. I like to highlight my brow bone once my eyebrows are done so I don't screw anything up with the concealer. But we have that product on here. All right, I'm gonna do my best to make sure that I'm in the camera the whole time. Because when I was doing my lip video, I was kind of out of the camera. So I'm gonna do my best, okay guys? Let me get this focused. And then we're gonna do an outline first. So we're gonna outline the front portion of our brow, like so. And obviously pick up more product as needed. And I'm sorry if my eyebrows are a little, not bushy, but there's sparse hairs everywhere. I've been in the process of growing out my eyebrows for a while now, so I'm trying not to mess with them at all, pretty much. So that is why they look kind of crazy. Hopefully we'll have thicker brows in the near future. Kind of skipped ahead, but basically once I outline the outer portion of my eyebrows, I just fill them in with that lighter shade. And then we're gonna go into that darker shade. Tap off the excess. And we're gonna fill in the rest of the brow. Let me just get this in focus. It is not easy doing your brows on camera, guys. This is no joke. If I keep looking at you guys, it's because I'm trying to make sure that you can see what I'm doing. Get some more product onto my brush. And then obviously fill in whatever areas are not dark enough for you. Perfect. We're gonna do the same to the other side, and then we're gonna clean up the front so it's not this blocky looking. All right, so now that I have managed to make my eyebrows look big and crazy, we're gonna take the spoolie end of our brush. If it's a little dirty, make sure that you wipe it off so it doesn't have product on it. You want a clean spoolie for this. And then you're literally just gonna take this and brush up and out just the front of the brow, like maybe like up to there, just so that we can give that natural gradient of color from lighter to darker. I just think that looks the most natural personally. Like if I were to leave it like this, I wouldn't really feel too good about it. I just feel like it looks very blocky and fake and it's not my style. So I like to just do this. And if you are messy with it, that's okay because we're gonna fix it up. Ooh, sorry guys. And then obviously if you go too far with it, you can just go back in with whatever's left on your brush and just pencil it in. And it already has a more natural look and feel to it. And it's okay if your eyebrows don't look exactly the same, one side to the other. Like everyone says, they're sisters, not twins, so as long as they don't look too crazy different, you're okay. Like mine definitely don't look exactly the same, I can tell the difference, but they work for me. So once we have brushed them out, done all that, we are gonna take some concealer, your concealer of choice. Mine is my favorite, my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. And I like to take it onto a brush, and I'm using the Zoeva 322 Brow Line. Perfect for this. And I just take some from this tip and put it onto that brush. And then I just like to outline. I start with the bottom. And I don't always do this, you guys. On a regular day, I won't do this, but when I'm going out and I want my eyebrows to look more like out there, I will do this because it really gives them a bolder look and a more cleaned up look. So just outline outside of where your brow is. And I don't like to go too hard with the concealer. I know other people do, they like to use more than I do. I just like for it to look a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna do the same to the top of that brow. And I'm trying not to get too close to my brow. It's just hard on camera. I'm sweating, guys. So once we've done that, I'm just gonna wipe off the extra that is on that brush, and I'm just gonna blend it out. So I'm using that same brush and just blend down for the bottom. Down and out, and then up and out for the top. and you can see it just looks more crisp and cleaned up. So we're going to do the same on the other side. All right, our eyebrows are looking fierce. And of course, if you went a little too far with that concealer, you can fix it up a little bit with that powder again. Perfecto. And then once you're done with that and you like the look of your brows, take a brow gel. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, which is also a really good one. And you just want to set your brows in place, tape them down so they're not going anywhere, they're not running away from you. One thing I don't like about this brow gel is I have very thin ends to my brows. It tends to wipe off some of the makeup on the end of my brow, which kind of drives me crazy. It's still a good brow gel, but that just makes me go nuts, especially when you spent so much time on that concealer portion. But it's an easy fix, so we're good. Just take a little bit more product and fill it back in. Beautiful. And last but not least, if you're wearing eye makeup, which I am, if I wasn't, I would skip this part, but since I'm wearing eye makeup, you're gonna wanna take a highlighter or whatever kind of light shimmery color you prefer, maybe an eyeshadow, to highlight your brow bone. It just makes your eyebrows and your eyes really pop. It's beautiful. I am taking my favorite highlighting palette, which is the NARS Banque de Sable, if I'm saying that right, palette. It looks like this. You guys know how much I rave about this. It's my absolute favorite palette, and I'm just mixing that light shade with the middle shade a little bit, and I'm just hitting my brow bone all the way and blending it into that shadow. I know it looks a little crazy, like I said, because of those sparse hairs, but I'm working with what I got. I'm trying to grow my eyebrows out, guys, so please give me a break. And then we're doing the same to the other brow. Blend, blend, blend. Beautiful. Now our eyebrows are, whoop, there you go. Our eyebrows are fierce and glowing, and we're feeling good. Now our makeup is complete, so that's it. That is all I do for my brow routine, guys. All right, my beautiful people, that was how I do my brows. I hope you guys liked it. I hope it was an easy enough process. I try to make my brow routine as simple and quick as possible because I spend so much time on all my other makeup, and then once I get to my brows, I'm like, ah! So I like to make it as simple as I possibly can while still making them look good. Another product though that I wanted to mention before I go is this Glossier Brow Flick, and I have the shade Brown. This is so amazing. This has been one of the products that I have been reaching for the most. I didn't want to do my tutorial with this just because it's a newer product to me, and I'm still kind of trying to fully master how I do my brows with this, so I don't want to steer you guys in the wrong direction. With the brow powder, I've been doing it for years, so I think I'm a pro at it by now, at least on myself, and I like how they turn out with that, so I did what I know, and I know that I can recommend to you guys without sounding like an idiot. But this is so amazing. If you want your eyebrows to look super real and you want something that's gonna give you literally strokes that look like brow hairs, this is the product. I was seeing so many people talk about this and I just never bought it for some reason. And then about a month or two ago, I saw it online and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try it. I tried it and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It just looks so natural while still making your eyebrows look bold, which is crazy. So I'm really happy with this. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. It's so good. If you have a similar hair color to mine, go with brown. It's very dark still, so I would do brown. But yes, that is it. That's all I have for you guys for my brow routine. I hope you guys liked it. I hope I made it really easy and simple and fun for you guys. It takes maybe, I don't want to say 5 minutes, maybe less than that, or maybe a total of 5 minutes, yeah, to do my eyebrows. Like I said, because I spend so much time on the rest of my face, but I have mastered the art of doing your eyebrows with a powder, and I just love how it turns out. So that is what works for me. I hope this was an easy thing for you guys to follow along with, and if you do try my method, comment down below and let me know what you think, or if you have a different method of doing your eyebrows, also comment and let me know what that is, because I love experimenting with different things when it comes to makeup. So I would love to try a different kind of routine for eyebrows. So make sure to comment and let me know what you guys do. But that is it. Like I said, make sure to like this video if you liked my eyebrow routine. Make sure to share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, you guys. Like I said, I post 3 times a week, so there's always something coming at you from me. You're getting to see my crazy butt 3 times a week. Why would you want to miss out on that, right? But that is it. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.